What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the best portable walk-in greenhouses on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Outsunny Portable Walk-in Greenhouse. Looking to cultivate your green thumb? The Outsunny 8 feet by 6 feet by 7 feet portable greenhouse offers a sanctuary for your plants, herbs, and vegetables. Say goodbye to cramped gardening spaces. The Outsunny greenhouse provides ample room for your plants to thrive. Whether you're nurturing vegetables, herbs, flowers, succulents, or saplings, this walk-in greenhouse offers a personalized plant nursery right in your garden. Crafted with a protective polyethylene tent, this greenhouse shields your plants from the elements. The PE cover blocks harmful UV rays, safeguarding your plants from sun damage while allowing nourishing sunlight to foster growth. Its powder-coated steel frame ensures durability, offering reliable protection against water and external elements. With 18 metal shelves, organizing your plants has never been easier. Number 4. Quictent Portable Mini Cloche Greenhouse. Discover the versatility and reliability of the Quictent Portable Mini Cloche Greenhouse. The Quictent greenhouse boasts a steel framework with heavy-duty powder coating, ensuring long-lasting durability. Its transparent PVC cover is UV-protected, waterproof, and reinforced for optimal protection against the elements. With included guy ropes, the cover and frame combination is secure and stable, measuring 71-inch LX36W-X36H. This portable greenhouse provides ample space for your plants, pots, and seed beds. Whether you're starting seeds indoors or protecting delicate plants outdoors, the Quictent greenhouse offers a generous workspace for your gardening needs. Featuring an overlong cover design, this greenhouse offers superior insulation and security. Simply bury it in the soil or place bricks on the edges for added stability. Number 3. Strong Camel Portable Greenhouse. Explore the features and benefits of the Strong Camel Portable Greenhouse, designed to elevate your gardening experience. Spacious design, with dimensions measuring 10 feet by 7 feet by 6 feet, the Strong Camel Greenhouse offers ample space for your plants to thrive. Whether you're cultivating vegetables, flowers, or herbs, this greenhouse provides a generous gardening environment. Enhanced ventilation, featuring 4 breathable roll-up windows equipped with screens, this greenhouse ensures optimal airflow while protecting your plants from pests and insects. Enjoy fresh air circulation without compromising on plant safety. Durable construction, constructed with a UV-protected cover and green powder-coated steel frame. The Strong Camel greenhouse is built to withstand the elements. Its heavy-duty powder-coated steel framework enhances stability, ensuring resilience against adverse weather conditions. Easy access. The zippered door provides convenient access to the walk-in structure of the greenhouse. Number 2. VEVOR Portable Walk-in Greenhouse. Discover the innovative features and reliable performance of the VEVOR Walk-in Tunnel Greenhouse. Superior air ventilation, equipped with 6 mesh windows and a roll-up zip door, the VEVOR greenhouse ensures excellent airflow and cross-ventilation. Keep pesky pests out while allowing fresh air to circulate freely, creating an optimal environment for plant growth. Upgraded galvanized frame, built with 0.8-inch diameter and 0.02 thickness galvanized steel hoops. This high-tunnel greenhouse offers enhanced durability and stability. A single top beam prevents rain and snow buildup, while diagonal poles ensure resilience during extreme weather conditions. High-quality waterproof PE cover. The VEVOR Tunnel Greenhouse features a waterproof PE cover designed to protect your plants from UV rays, rust, snow, and rain throughout the year. The snug fit of the cover enhances warmth and wind resistance. Number 1. Ohuhu Portable Greenhouse. Unlock the secrets to successful gardening with the Ohuhu Mini Greenhouse. 4-tier construction, equipped with 4 shelves, each measuring 24.4 by 17.3 inches and holding up to 22 pounds. The Ohuhu greenhouse provides ample space for your plants. The patented fixed clip ensures ultimate stability, while the overall size of 62-inch by 27-inch by 20-inch offers roomy accommodation for flowers, plants, and vegetables. Tough durable design, constructed with electrocoated tubes, the Ohuhu greenhouse is tough, sturdy, and rust-proof. The premium P outer cover boasts excellent light transmission, offering protection against corrosion, low temperatures, water, and UV rays. Roll-up zippered door. Designed with a zippered roll-up door, the Ohuhu mini greenhouse allows for easy access and optimal air circulation.